Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your HUD display is running slowly, freezing, experiencing sync problems, or simply not behaving as expected, a reboot is often one of the easiest ways to refresh the system. Restarting the Hearth display can clear temporary glitches and help restore normal performance without affecting your settings or family information. Fortunately, the reboot process is quick and doesn't require any special tools or advanced knowledge. Before trying more complicated troubleshooting methods, it's always a good idea to start with a simple restart. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy steps that can help you reboot your hard display properly. Try these. Step 1. Make sure the hard display is powered on before beginning the reboot process. Step 2. Access the settings menu available on the hard display if the screen is responsive. Step 3. Select the restart option provided on the hard display if available. Step 4. If necessary, disconnect the hard display from power for several minutes. Step 5. Restore power to the hard display and allow it time to complete the startup process. Step 6. Verify that the hard display is functioning normally and responding properly after the reboot.